Hello friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to create an administrator CMD shortcut. So, let's start. At first, go to the new shortcut options by clicking the right button on your mouse. Now type the below text, %com/% /k, and click on Next. Click Next, and finish. We can see a CMD shortcut created on our display. Now, go to the CMD property options. Click on Advanced. Select Run as Administrator, and click on OK. After this, click Apply and OK. Now, click on CMD shortcut, and you can see that CMD is run in administrator mode. Friend, now you can run any command in the administrator mode by clicking the shortcut. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.